Hello, and what a great day to sew something wonderful. I am just on a filming craze today. Y'all have like seen the same shirt 4 times, I think. So I wanted to come to you today with a really fun unboxing from Quilty Box. So they emailed me and let me know this was coming, and I was super excited because I knew the teaser was Tula Pink. And you guys, they did not disappoint. So when we get this box open, it always has tissue paper, and this month it's super bright pink because it's Tula Pink. So we always get this bundles of inspiration, and this is like a little magazine that has patterns in it. So a lot of people are confused, and we talk about this every month that we do this video. A lot of people get confused as to why this is valued at like an actual dollar amount, and that is because it does come with fabric in it. And so yeah, so if you look at the very beginning, it gives you kind of the dollar amounts. This one specifically doesn't have this book on it, but they typically value this at about $10 because it does have so many patterns and things in it, which is great. And then they have an interview with Tula Pink herself where they ask her questions and she gives advice for different things. And it's just awesome. They do a lightning round of questions like polka dots or plaids or prints or solids and things like that. So this is a pattern that's in there this month. Just super pretty, super pretty. And they typically give you most of the fabric you need to complete the pattern. You just probably need some background fabric. So let's get this opened up. Oh my goodness. Look how bright, like opening this box, look how bright that is. And we all need like a little bit of bright and sassy in our lives right now. And this is where it's at. So this is a beautiful, guys, believe it or not, this is a patch, like an embroidered patch. So you could sew that onto anything. That's so pretty. This needs to go on a bag for sure. Then we've got a little scissor fob. Cute. Let me take it out of the thing so you guys can actually see it. So adorable. And it's actually clear. It's got that brown paper over the back of it, so you can take that off and use it as a little scissor fob. We of course have our coordinating thread. So this is an Aurifil thread this month. Okay, and color 5003. Then we have a 6-piece fat quarter bundle. I think this needs to be made into a sew together bag. That would be so cute as a sew together bag because it's so bright and fun. Oh my goodness. Okay, so let me open this up a little bit here. Yes, I'm opening the fabric. So this is Tula Pink for Free Spirit Fabrics. Look at this. I mean, she has some bright colors. I can see a sew together bag with this. A whole quilt with this would be gorgeous. Can see some project bags made. What are some other things you can do with fat quarters? Tell me down below. With all the little birds and like the paint splatter. Look, isn't that gorgeous? Ooh, I like this one with all like the rainbow of colors. This reminds me of that, did y'all eat that Dots candy as like a little kid? That's what that reminds me of, where you like peel off the dots and you would never get all the paper off, so you'd end up eating paper, but so good. Here's another one, same print, different colorway, super pretty. And then lastly in that bundle, so 6 fat quarters of this. Man, that would be so cute as a sew together bag. I may have to make that. I've made far too many at this point, but this is like screaming for that to happen. So we'll need to see about that. Okay. And then next we have like a bundle of fabric on a card. I think it looks like a yard to me. Oh my goodness, you guys. Look at this fabric. Are you actually kidding? Do you see what they are? They're cats. Cats, people. That's so cute. That's adorable. And I bet this is a lot of the print of that quilt pattern that they gave us. That is gorgeous. And it was just wrapped on, I think these are like thick, they're like comic book cards, but like a little smaller. So That's a really good deal. That's cute. Oh, that's so cute. I'm glad that we got that. That's adorable. Okay. Let me get this clipped back together here. My hair and my face is driving me crazy. Okay, and then the last thing in our box is unicorn head straight pins because it's Tula Pink, and why not? Why would anyone else use boring straight pins when you could be using these? Which is exactly what the back says. Super fun. Oh my goodness, you guys. This is adorable, and what a great box. So this is the Quilty Box. They have multi-month subscriptions, or you can do once a month if that's what's in your budget. Once a month is $48 per month plus free shipping. Any of their boxes have free shipping on them. The 3-month prepaid plan takes it down to $46. A 6-month takes it down to $45, and a 12-month prepaid plan takes it down to $44. And their multi-month subscriptions, a portion of those go to Quilts for Kids. So that's super awesome and amazing. So tell me what your favorite thing was below in the comments. I cannot decide one favorite thing. It's between the patch and the cat fabric. I'm not a cat person, but that cat fabric was cute. That'd be really cute. Okay, well, tell me what is your favorite thing down below. And tell me what you would do with Tula's new line of fabric. And yeah, tell me what you would do. Yeah, I want to know what you would do with those fat quarters. That's what I want to know. So, all right, you guys have a great day. Thank you so much for joining us in the Hive.